my first time here, and it's been really fun. I love dancing with all my friends.
We're gonna dance in the shower.
My name is Evan, and this is my first time being here, and I think this is an awesome place because it has all you want in a party.